My name is Santos, and I'm going to do lab number 8. So here I go. So I'm gonna cut my chip bag. I think that no puppies. My dogs think they're gonna get a treat. I think that it says on the procedure that the seams count as a layer, so I think there's only 3 layers to a chip bag, but yeah, I mean, I still only really see 3 layers. I think obviously the aluminum part is a layer, and then this part is a layer, and then the seams are a layer, so I think only 3. But I looked up the properties online, and it says 2, or there's 4. It says on the inside it's made up of BOPP. I don't even want to try to pronounce the full name. And then it says that there's a middle layer, so I guess the like aluminum looking part is LDPE, and then there's another layer of BOPP, and then the outer layer where the writing is Sirlin. So okay, so now I need to cut the bag and then hold the flashlight to the shiny part and see if I can see the writing. Well, actually, I'm gonna cut it in half really quick too. Yeah, I mean, I still don't really see how there's 4 layers. I guess there's multiple different components to make the inside part. I don't know. But okay, so I'm gonna hold my flashlight. I can't see any words. But now it says I need to write the letter A on the foil side with my marker, so I'm gonna do that. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna see if I can wipe off the bag a little. The marker's not really wanting to write on the like slimy part. Okay, I'll give this a shot. I can't really see, but I still don't see anything. Maybe I need to find a better marker, because this is not really showing up very well, and I think I'm supposed to be able to see. Let me go see if I can find a better one. Okay, I have two different other markers now, so hopefully one of them will work. I don't think this one will work either. Maybe. Puppy, stop it. And then I'm gonna try this pen. No, the pen is even worse than the others. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So I still can't see anything, so hopefully that's what I'm supposed to be finding. What's next? I mean, I know that the bag isn't made of a layer of aluminum because it doesn't. None of these are. I mean, maybe they have aluminum components, but it's not straight aluminum. So, Anyway, next thing. So now I do the ketchup packet. So let me push on. I got two different ones because I was a little afraid about pushing on the packet and it popping open, so I got two. Obviously, if I squish with both fingers, I can't, but it feels really squishy. But it doesn't really seem like it's gonna pop whenever I press on it. I'm sure if I did it hard enough and long enough it would, but it doesn't really seem like it's going to. So I filled it up with water, and I personally think it's probably going to float, but let's see. Nope. No floating. It sinks. So maybe if I put more water in it. Yeah. Still sinks. So I think it float or it sinking means that it's more dense than the water. Now let's microwave the bag. I'm kind of scared about this one, but I have the bag. I think this is probably the most it'll let me. Squish it for. So how long did you say to? 5 seconds. Okay. Let's try it. this is the remnants of that. I'm gonna leave it in there for a second because I'm a little afraid to touch it. It'll probably be really hot, but I definitely did see sparks, and it crumpled up into a ball. Like I already told you what it's made out of. I guess this makes sense. Like the different components in it, like the LDPE and the Serlin of the potato chip bag are strong and flexible. So they are working hard to stay together, but the heat is making it crumple, so it's still together, but its shape is changing because of the temperature. And then I guess the reason that I can't see any writing whenever I do it on on either side, I guess, whenever I cut it open and I can't read either side, it's because that BOPP layer that looks like aluminum, it's there because it's to protect the potato chips from different oils and moistures in order to preserve it. So it has to be able to withstand anything coming through it, so that's why I can't see on either side. And then yeah, the ketchup. Yeah, it is more dense than the water, that's why it sinks. If it was less dense, then it would float. And it says that when pressure from the water is applied to the bottle, so I guess if I were to put it in a bottle like you were suggesting that I do, but I don't have any water bottles, the air inside of the ketchup packet would compress, and that's when it would float, I guess. Yeah, I guess. I don't really know. I would have to try it, I guess, but I don't have a water bottle to try it, so that's all. Thank you.